In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate a numerical expression that involves decimals. And a lot of people get this wrong, but I'm going to take it through step by step so you don't. So always start with the brackets, okay? We have the brackets here. So we're going to add minus 3.2 plus 2.6, and that becomes minus 0.6. Now we can do our multiplication. We can just do this multiplication first, okay? So 5.5 times 0.3 is 1.65. Now we could do the division. And we can divide this. And we know that when we divide a positive and a negative, the answer will be negative. So we're left with negative 2.75. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download the ebook. There's a link there to this very video. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine in the description that are similar to this. You could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.